everyone, welcome back. Today I have Macee with me. Can you tell everybody hi?
Hi.
She's being so cute. I am so proud of her. She was nervous and now she is doing so good. So I'm super proud of you, Macee. Thank you. Yes. And you're 3, huh? Yep. And you're going to be 4 next month, huh?
Yes.
Oh, it's going to be fun to have a birthday, huh? Yes. We have birthdays in the same month. That's cool, huh? Awesome. Okay. So with Macee's hair, what we're going to do, her mom is like every mom out there. We always just try to trim our daughter's hair, and she wanted me to fix it. She said, I didn't do too hot, so I want you to fix it. So I wanted to do this video because I know there's a lot of you out there that you think it's super easy to hurry and cut it, but then you're like, oh wait, it's a little harder than you think. So I'm going to show you how to fix this. So if you try to cut your little girl's hair, which everybody has, we've all done it, then I can help you. So I do want to show you guys. Okay, you can look down, sweetheart. Good job. So I want to explain right here. So probably what she did is she had her head just upright, and she probably tried to trim along. And then when you put your head down, then it makes the underneath longer. So first thing is you want their head straight, but you want it all the way down. So good job. Look all the way down at your iPad. Good girl. Okay, and I'm going to come up to the shortest piece where hers is, and I'm going to come straight across. Okay, now we're going to come on this side. Good job. You're keeping your head down. Good girl. Okay, same thing right here. Come straight across. Okay, so you can see how even that is, but that's what helps that middle part is when their head is totally down. So if you go to trim their hair, don't just leave it up or have them look at the TV or something. You want their chin down to their chest as far as you can. Okay, and now, Macee, we're gonna put your head right there. We're gonna have her look up just a tiny bit. Can you put your chin right there? Can you leave it there for just a minute? I'll hurry, okay? Good girl. Okay, so I'm gonna come over here. I'm gonna take this off. Okay, and I'm just gonna make sure it's up a tiny bit. Good job, you're doing awesome. And then just take this off. Okay, so now that's even. Now we're gonna turn to this side. Jump up, girl. How are you doing? Good. I'm so glad you're good. So again, just make sure their chin is up. You're gonna tilt your head. Good job. So proud of you. I'm gonna bring it into this front. And these sides, we might need to go a little shorter in the back. I'll ask your mom, just because their side over here is a little shorter. So we'll just wait and see. Wow, you are looking good, girl. Does it feel good? Okay, look right here. Good job. And I'm opening this here. Put your head right there. Yeah, see, this side is shorter. So look at the camera. Can you look at Megan? Choppy. Okay, so what we're gonna do, now look up. Good job. We are going to bring this side, come a little bit shorter up here to match this front. Okay, look in the camera. Can you say cheese? Good job. You're awesome. And you have gorgeous eyes, don't you?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, now look in the camera and let's see right here. Let's see. It's so cute. Does that feel better?
Yes.
Good. I had one so left. Okay, now we're just gonna bring this, turn these edges in a little bit. Wow, you have been such a good girl. Was that fun?
Yes.
You liked it, honey? Good. So cute. Okay, I'm going to turn her to the mirror to make sure we're even. Right here. Does that feel okay? Yes. Oh, she is so darn cute. Okay, this is what I wanted to show you guys. And I'm going to turn her around one more time so you can see that it's even throughout and her sides. We brought that one side up a little bit to match the other. And now it matches. Thank you for being a good girl. Okay, can you tell everybody to see you next time? I'll say,
Yes, we.
thank you, sweetheart. Okay, you guys have a good day, and thank you so much for watching. And I hope this helps all the mothers out there who want to just do a trim around their daughter's hair. So thank you so much, and have a good day. See ya.